Good morning, students. Welcome back to Alchemy Online Classes. Today we are going to discuss lesson number 3 question answers. The name of the lesson is Gopal and the Hilsa Fish. I have given the question answers as a homework. If you have not done, do it with me right now. Be ready with your notebook. See here, first question. Why did the king want no more talks about Hilsa fish? The king was fed of the talks of Hilsa fish. It was season of Hilsa fish and everyone was busy in talking of it. Moreover, he did not want his courtiers to waste the time on these talks. So here the king was really very fed up with the talks of Hilsa fish all the time. So here it was a season of Hilsa fish and everyone was busy in talking with it. He did not want his courtiers to talk about Hilsa fish. Okay, let us move to the second one. What did the king ask Gopal to prove that he was clever? What did the king asked Gopal to do? The king asked the Gopal to buy a Hilsa fish and bring it to the palace without anyone asking anything about the fish throughout the way to prove that he was clever. What the king asked here? The king asked Gopal to bring the big Hilsa fish in the palace without anyone asking or talking about that Hilsa fish. Clear? So this was a challenge given by Gopal to the king to the Gopal, and Gopal has completed as we have seen in the lesson. Let us move to the next one. What three things did Gopal do before he went to buy his Hilsa fish? So what were the three things the Gopal had done? Let us see here. The Gopal half shaven his beard, then smeared himself with the ash. That means he has shaved his half face. Then he has put on the ashes on him, ash powder on him, and wore disgraceful rags before he went to buy his Hilsa fish. So these were the three changes in the appearance of Gopal. Let us move to the next one. How did Gopal get inside the palace to see the king after he had brought the fish? So here when Gopal asked the guards to let him meet the king, they refused. Therefore, he began to dance and sing loudly. On hearing this loud song, the king sent his messenger to call him in the court. What happened here? Gopal has brought the big, huge Hilsa fish, but his guards did not allow him to meet the king. So what did the Gopal do to meet the king? The Gopal started dancing and singing loudly so that the king will hear the message and he will call him up. Clear? Let us move to the next one. Explain why no one seemed to be interested in talking about the Hilsa fish which Gopal has brought. From the market to the way of the palace, no one was talking about Hilsa fish, but all were talking about the, yes, you are right, about the appearance of the Gopal. Clear? Let us see the answer. Gopal funny appeared attract the attention of the people much more than Hilsa fish. At that time, no one was caring about Hilsa fish. He was caring everyone was busy in talking about his mad appearance, half-shaven face and rags. So all of the people from market till the palace, the people were talking about only the Gopal's appearance rather than the Hilsa fish. Clear? So these were the 5 question answers. Let us move to the next exercise from your textual exercise. It is if you are not having textbook, please note down in your notebook so it is easy to do. Let us start here. Complete the following word ladder with the help of clues given. So you have to complete this word ladder and clues are here. First one, mother will be very dash if you don't go to school. So here, let us see the first one here. It will come cross, CROSS. Clear? Let us move to the next one. As soon as he caught dash of the teacher, Mohan started writing. So what will come according to the blank? S-I-G-H-T, sight. Clear? Let us move to the next one. Third one. How do you like my dash kitchen garden? Big enough for you, isn't it? Third one, tiny, T-I-N-Y. Let us move to the fourth one. My youngest sister is now a dash old. Let us see the answer for it. Number fourth, it is Y-E-A-R, ear. Clear? Let us see the fifth one. Standing on the dash, he saw children playing on the road. So what will come here? Let us see the clue here. R-O-O-F, roof. Clear? Now let us go to the clue number 6. Don't make such a dash, nothing will happen. So let us see the answer here. F-U-S-S first. Clear? Let us see the last clue now. Don't cross the dash till the green light comes on. So what will come here? When we have to cross the road? Yes, you are right. When it turns into green, so it is street. Clear? I hope you have done. If you have not done, please pause the video and complete this one. I hope the whole lesson is clear to you. For extra content, please refer Extra Marks and Diksha app. You can also visit this YouTube link where you'll get whole content. Thank you for the day.